You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is generally short for Daniel or Danielle. And in British English, the pronunciation is slightly different from the American one. In the UK, it's pronounced Dan. Dan, alright? It's not, yes, it's Daniel, but it's not Dane, it's Dan. Now, the Americans say it more as Dan. Dan. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments and where you're from as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.